Woodrow! Where is he? Hey, have any of you guys seen Woodrow?
No. Let's get him.
No! Woodrow! There you are. Would you get to work and stop goofing around? Welcome to Alley Picked, where I do most of the woodworking projects myself because I really don't get a lot of help. Don't go giving me that plank stare. Anyway, I thought it'd be about time that I put together a compilation video on the last 20 woodworking projects I've done. I hope you enjoy them. No, you didn't. A single sturdy bookshelf. This thing can survive an earthquake. It's not going any... Hey! Dude! I'm trying to film a video here. So that's 10 down and 10 to go. I get my creative ideas wherever I go. It might be a garage sale, a yard sale, an estate sale, or even right here in the alley. So I was going through there and I found this old looking box. Now, I don't know how it does this, but this thing can communicate with me. No, it does. When I put the lid on, I know what color is facing up. I know it.
What?
It just spoke to me.
What?
It said red. Do it again, do it again. You guys aren't even tricky. You did the same color. It's red. Oh.
No.
It's feeling rather blue.
It's blue! How do you...
Crazy contraption which looks like it can kill people. It's actually a pantograph. Wouldn't it be cool if I could draw a picture of you but only make it 3 times as big?
Yeah.
Would that mean you'd be 3 times as ugly?
No, 3 times as handsome.
Good answer. lot of good stuff on that truck I can make things with. So I hope some of these ideas have helped to spark your creativity. I don't build things so I can make videos. I make videos because I build things that I would be doing anyway. So whatever your passion is, pursue it. Pursue it with all your heart, with all your soul. Do the best you can. And most importantly, have fun while you're doing it.